So this one I didn't show all how I move this one because it's not easy and heavy, so I didn't do any video. So now I just use the clamp, and then I use the bowl plug to the carriage already, so each time I can do the slider in and out here, so I can see how this. So in this one I can see like a 45 degree, so that means I can make this slider here already. So the rails, the flat one I do already, so now it's time to make the dam here. So I need to move this one out here first, then I can push into the main direction here. So this is the bolt I keep inside here, so now I need to plug everything inside first, and then I can move the clamp out. Here is my problem for my old lathe that made the slider, cross slider right here, so I use the bolt and nut right here. So otherwise when I try to move this up and down, I have to find out directly the main point I did here. So my next step, I will make different slider. So my slider makes the hole here, and then I put another nut right here, and easy for me, I can make the slider. I don't want to use the clamp here, so this clamp just for control, for moving. So I use the clamp stuck here, then I can move the cross slider up and down. But my next step, I don't want to do like that, so I want this bolt or nut here out from the top here. So right now this is my old one, so I need to develop more what I can make and easy. So now I start the straight here. One more along here. Okay, let's start right now. Let me start. right now I can see how is the smooth and a nice shape over here. So I have done three-way already. So right here, the flayed one, the flayed two, and then the dam here. So I finished in this side already, so I can see how it's a nice shape and smooth right here. So my next steps, I will turn this cross slider going to and this side that I need to do in this side. So I still remain like one side here, and then I still have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 and 8. So 8 faces more. I will finish everything as I want right here. Here is the side I will sharpening soon, but right now I have to move uh, the stone wheels on this side. So and this is the plate here. So this plate will be connecting with the carriage, and then I will put the motors and grind in this side. So right now I need to drill first.